Subject Physical Education for Class 12, Unit 8, Biomechanics and Sports. In this unit, we will going to start the new topic, Law of Motion or Newton's Law of Motions and its application in sports. As you know, man is a very creative. He also try to create new things every day on every moment. So man cannot live without movement or without action. So every movement of the man has created a law or different laws of motions. So as per that, Sir Isaac Newton formulated the some laws of motion in 1687. So today we will going to start or discuss about the first law of motion. It is also called the law of inertia also. In this, an object will not move or remain at stationary position unless force is applied. It means this law states that a body at rest will remain at rest and a body in motion will remain in motion at the same speed and in the same direction till any external force is applied on it to change that state. So this is the first law of motion, or it is called the first Newton's law, or it is also called the law of inertia. How it is applied in the sports or games field? In basketball, player on the court must keep in mind about dribbling because the ball will continue to bounce for some times if they lose control. If the ball bounces too far away from a player, his or her team can lose passion. So, like that, it is also called the application, law of inertia application in the field of sports or game. So, it is very important that the application in sports of the Newton's law. Thank you.